So I'm here to teach you how to make a U.S. soldier. La la la. Okay, I'm filming this first. You need a little brick guns. You need brick guns, steel pot, OD green or black, it doesn't matter. A face. Yellow is preferred. I like this one. Filming this with iPods, it's hard. A body. Oh yeah, how to make decals. Just use what's it called? Just use like any type of sticker and just draw on it. And yeah, brown, tan, yeah. And just make a little patch. I made a 82nd Airborne. Okay, so first you have the body. You need to draw this though. I sort of got the design off the internet. Please just search American Soldier Lego decals and just beep. I think for a weapon you could give the Thompson SMG from Burke Arms. Yeah, so this is the guy. You can give him Grand or the Thompson SMG. Or a bar, it doesn't matter, any type of American weapon, including that one carbine bazooka, yeah. Okay, so that's how you make one. Goodbye.